Welcome to the Sell Lifecycle Services, Monitoring Solutions, and Additional Offers module. Click the Start Module button to begin. In the previous module, you learned how to choose the right UPS solution. Now it's time to find out how to increase your margins by adding lifecycle services to ensure the best UPS performance. This module covers the lifecycle services and management by utilizing monitoring software and solutions. It also explains the additional offers in the data centers. It should take you 20 minutes to complete the module. At the end of this module, you will be able to sell the lifecycle services of UPSs by asking the right questions to your customers. You will also learn how to sell the right monitoring and management software solutions. Not only that, but you will also get to know how to expand your business by selling the additional offers for rack management, such as types of racks, power distribution units, or PDUs, netbots, and other rack accessories. This module comprises 3 topics. Click Topic 1, Lifecycle Services, to begin. UPSs are important investments because they protect critical business applications. As an IT partner, your customers count on you to help prevent power problems and protect their UPSs by managing their UPS life cycle. You can provide recommendations for every phase of their UPS life cycle and help decide the best options to ensure your customers' UPSs and their business-critical applications are always powered on. To understand this better, let's view a scenario where you are having a conversation with a customer as their IT partner. The conversation starts with a probing question about application runtime. Ask your customers how long they want their application to keep running. Once your customer shares their timeline, you can steer the discussion and present useful information about the battery's lifespan and warranty periods. For instance, if they opt for the valve-regulated lead-acid or VRLA batteries, they can expect them to last around 3 to 5 years with a warranty period of 2 years. On the other hand, if they opt for lithium-ion batteries, the batteries can last longer, around 5 to 10 years, and come with a 5-year warranty. Next, you should ask your customers if they would like to hear about the lifecycle services offered by Schneider Electric. After your customer responds, you can let them know that Schneider Electric offers extended warranties and maintenance service plans to provide coverage and protection. Also, inform them about the best on-site preventive and corrective maintenance services. There are various battery replacement services that customers can avail. These include on-site labor, battery system upgrade services, and battery system conversion service. What's more, customers can also get different warranties for their UPSs and batteries.